The lithography process consists of following steps. Firstly, the cleaning of silicon substrate and spin coating over to the spin coater. After spin coating, the sample is pre-baked in oven. After pre-exposure bake, the sample is exposed using IMP, followed by development of the sample and nitrogen dry. The sample is inspected using microscope. This is a maskless lithography system from IMP. The system is used for microfabrication and research. The system consists of following parts: the AutoStage software and the stage. The sample is put over to the stage and is exposed. The heart to the system is DMD, that is digital micromirror devices, and the minimum achievable feature size with this is 2 micron. After switching on the machine, I'll start with the very first process in lithography is the spin coating of cleaned silicon substrate. The cleaned silicon substrate is loaded over to the spin coater. The sample is poured using Shipley's S1828 resist. The lid of the spin coater is closed and the machine is turned on. The spinning process consists of 2 cycles, the spreading cycle and the coating cycle. The spreading cycle is at about 1000 rpm, whereas the coating cycle is at around 4500 rpm for Shipley's S1828 resist. After spin coating, the sample is unloaded from the spin coater and then the sample is loaded to the oven for 4 minutes at 95 degrees Celsius. The coated photoresist is pre-exposure baked to evaporate extra solvent from the coated photoresist. The sample is unloaded from the oven after 4 minutes. For loading the sample, the stage is unloaded and now the coated sample is put over to the stage. After loading the sample to IMP, the software is set for exposure. The very first process is loading of this soft mask, and then after the system is set for the optimized recipe for the Shipley's S1828 resist. Then the soft mask is coarse focus over to the substrate, and after coarse focus, the fine focus is carried out by the system itself. And now the exposure is going. When the sample is exposed, the sample is unloaded. The sample is unloaded carefully, avoiding heating of the sample from the objective of the IMP. Just after exposure, the sample is developed using MF316 developer for 30 seconds. After development, the sample is rinsed in DI water. Followed by nitrogen dry. After development and nitrogen dry, the sample is inspected under microscope. After exposure and development, the image clearly indicates the fine feature of 2 micron.